In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add work type in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set things up so your team can categorize work more clearly. Let's start from your Jira board or project screen. At the top of the page, you'll see the main navigation bar. Look for the Create button, usually located toward the upper section of the interface. This is the same button you'd use to create a new issue or task. Go ahead and click Create. This opens a panel or a pop-up window where you can set details for the work item you're about to create. Inside this window, you'll see various fields such as project, issue type, summary, and others. Among these options, find the field labeled work type. Depending on your Jira configuration, this might appear as a drop-down or a selectable field in the form. Click on work type so you can manage or choose from existing types related to that issue. Once the work type field is open, you'll see the list of existing work types that are already available in your Jira setup. To create a new one, look for an option that says Add Work Type. This is often shown as a link or a button near the list, indicating that you can define a new category. Click on Add Work Type to start setting up your new entry. A form will appear asking you to fill in details for this new work type. Here, you'll typically provide a clear and descriptive name, and in some setups, you might also see fields for a description, a code, cup, or other attributes. Take a moment to think about how this work type will be used by your team. Choose a name that is simple, consistent with your existing naming conventions, and easy for everyone to understand. If a description field is available, use it to briefly explain when this work type should be selected. This will help keep usage consistent across your projects. After you've filled in all the required details and you're happy with how it looks, locate the Add button at the bottom of the form. This is what actually saves your new work type and makes it available for selection. Click Add. Jira will create the new work type and return you to the previous screen, where you should now see your newly created option in the work type list, ready to be used on current and future issues.